Yoon Ah-hee is a high school student, but she supports herself and her younger sister by working part-time jobs. She doesn't know where her parents are. Her father was driven away from home because of debt collectors. And her mother then left home. Even with her poor financial situation, she is able to rank near the top at her school academically. She also has a pretty appearance. Yoon Ah-hee wants to become an adult as soon as possible, to have a stable job. Meanwhile, her classmate is Nail Deung. He regularly competes with Yoon Ah-hee to receive the top grade, but they begin to have feelings for each other. One day, Yoon Ah-hee meets magician Lee Yul at an abandoned amusement park. He puts on magic shows to people who tell him they believe in magic. He is a mysterious person, but he comforts Yoon Ah-hee, who told him that she believes in magic.